am Jaya Bharti and I am going to present a presentation on building institutional repositories using DSpace. Information is becoming the inevitable source for the libraries. For this, libraries have to be updated time to time to satisfy the needs of the users and for the optimum use of library collection, including their digital collection. Nowadays, articles, theses or dissertation, conference papers or reports, image, audio, video, PowerPoint presentation, that is every format is available almost free on the web. To understand the importance of the libraries and today's demand, many institutions are building their repositories, but these e-resources need proper management. For this, they need software to make their collection digitized and available over the internet for their users. In market, there are much software available for the purpose, and which DSpace is widely used in the libraries for their digital collection. DSpace was mutually developed by the Massachusetts Institute of Technology MIT Libraries and Hewlett Packard HP Labs. It was developed as a repository for the respective institutions' members' research work. It was initiated in July 2000 and now being handled by DuraSpace. In short, DSpace is a digital repository where we can store papers, datasets, reports, photographs, images, videos, conference papers, posters, theses, dissertations, and other material which we wish to archive. And it is an ideal model for the open access that provides an institution material such as unpublished paper, reports, etc. available in the digital format. It also provides an indexing service which helps the user to search and retrieve the research material and publications over the time. It also provides the metadata about the material and ensure long-term preservation. Many features are there to use by building digital repositories on DSpace, such as DSpace is developed using Java and available on Linux and Windows platforms and built on Apache Web Server. DSpace uses PostgreSQL RDBMS to store data. It is open source software used for the digital material, which is used to create, search, and retrieve the material digitally available. It also facilitates the professional preservation of the digital documents. It allows open access and help to build institutional repositories, which is very economical and with respect to the all the software and hardware components. It is user friendly and provides multi-user approach. We can preserve and archive all types of content such as technical reports, conference papers, audios, videos, images, journals, articles, electronic theses, and dissertation, digitized library collection, lecture notes, datasets, etc., and can be customized to extend its capabilities. In DSpace, each item has one qualified Dublin Core metadata record. Its user can be authenticated by performing functions such as submission, email notification, and administration. It holds the information of each user such as first name and last name, email address, password, list of collection, etc. So many benefits are there for using DSpace for building repositories, such as with the immediate effect. It shares the research to the worldwide user through search engines. It helps in archiving and distributing material that is at our personal website or share technical material also. We can also keep track of our publication and have a persistent network identifier. Its search result can be quickly available to the users. It provides many browsing and searching facilities such as Boolean operators and or NOT gate. Users can also browse via external references such as Handle. In a nutshell, we can say that digital library management software helps in easily creating a digital collection for the libraries. There is a library software used for this purpose, such as many software are there, such as ePrints, GSDL, Greenstone Digital Library, Fedora, ETD, etc. In this, DSpace is widely used in India by the institution to build their repositories. Many institutions in India have been set up their institutional repositories using DSpace. DSpace is very useful for building institutional repository in very efficient and effective way and serves very useful purpose for the user. In India, it is at I think in initial stage, not used by much institutions. This is a demand of today for every institute to make their institution identical and growing with the development of institution repositories such as institution repositories, I think, are the backbones of an institution. Therefore, equally importance should be given to development of institution repositories. Effective steps should be taken to make aware faculty and students and users about the importance of these repositories by using DSpace, and thereby more and more archives should be added and ensures the use of this information to the optimum level with open access to all the users over the internet. Thank you so much for your attention.